Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about arc. So there are total 11 different methods are there to draw an arc. So we will see one by one how it is going to work in the AutoCAD, or how we are going to draw the arc with the help of the following methods. So here first what I will do, I will give a small explanation regarding an arc. So the pink color, it is indicating the arc. Okay, and whatever you are seeing, this one I have been shown the angle between this arc is, this line is 180 degree, and again I have been shown in red color, that is your over here it is not visible clearly. So bottom line is there, that is your chord length. The maximum chord length for any arc is your diameter. So again I have been shown the radius of 25 units of this arc, and again this one more chord length I have been shown you people, because it is not clearly visible. Because of that reason I have been shown a one more chord length over here. So before going into the first case, so here I have been written a three point arc. So how we are going to draw this 3-point arc, I will show in the two different methods. One is with the following coordinates we have seen in the first class. The second one is with the help of the freehand. For that one I have drawn a small diagram. So here this is, as I told you people, this is your start point, right? This is, I have been showing you people about start point, right? This is start point and this is your end point. This is your center point, right? This is your center point. So here if you want to draw an arc, all the three lines or three axes, it should not, all the three coordinates value should not be on the same plane. It means start point, mid point, end. If you are taking these three, it won't get your what I call arc. So if you want to draw an arc, it should be the two on the maximum two coordinates will be taken on one plane, and one should be the opposite, either upwards or in downwards. So here first coordinate value have been taken as 3 comma 2, right? So if I have been drawn over here 5 units of your radius, 5 units of radius of your arc. So here the first is 5 and the next is 5. The total diameter of this chord, the maximum what I call, I have been taken as a chord length over here as a diameter. So the diameter will be for 10 units, right? The diameter will be 10 units and the radius of this one is 5 units. So you already know that, as I told you in the previous class lecture also, that the first coordinate value I have been taken as 3 comma 2. So this 3 will added to here 5, so it will become what, totally 8. So only x value I have been increasing, right? This is also x and this is also x, and we are moving in the x direction, right? We are moving in the x direction. So after reaching this point, means at the center you are going to get the coordinate value as 8 comma 2. So when you reach to the end point, what will be the coordinate value? Again this 8 will be added to this 5, and finally we are going to get the 30, right? So again y value will remain same 2, because we are not incrementing in the y direction. So this is your y direction. So after reaching the center point, I need to give the one more vertical radius of line. So here I got the 2. So this 2 will be added to your 5, and finally I will get how much, 7. So it means it will remain same, because x direction is not incrementing at this particular point, only the y value is incrementing. So I got this 8 comma 7. So what I need to do in AutoCAD, I need to give the 3 coordinates value, right? One is your 3 comma 2, one more is your 13 comma 2, and one more is your 8 comma 7. So if you are taking the first point as 3 comma 2 and the second point as 8 comma 2, right, when you are going to hit 13 comma 2, it will give some different curve only. We are not going to get the maximum chord length. So first what I need to do, I need to give this point, starting point, and then I need to give this coordinate value, and then end point I need to give. right? So first start, so that's why only we are saying this is an end point. End point means at last we are providing this point. So first I need to provide this point, and then next this point, and then next finally we are going to provide this coordinate value. We'll see here. See here, I will show you the AutoCAD. See here, I got my axis over here. So what I will do, 3 point with the help of a coordinate. So what I will do, I will select the arc. Right, under this arc I will choose the 3 point arc. So it is stating me that start point of an arc. So I have been given what I have been taken 3 comma 2, right? 3 comma 2. So what I will do, 3 comma 2. See here, it is showing somewhere here. Means from x axis is 3 units and from y axis it is 2 units. The second point is 8 comma, sorry, I think 8 comma 7. So second point will be here somewhere. So what I will do, 8 comma and I will give 7 and I will hit enter. Right. So now it is asking me the third point. The third point will be 13 comma 2. 13 comma 2. And I will hit enter. See, I got an arc of maximum radius. If you want to check the radius of this one, what is the maximum radius, maximum chord length, or in this case, as I told you, 10 units you are going to get. You can check out here 10 units. The same way, if you want to draw a freehand arc without any dimensions, see, this is my first point I was considering here. This could be my second point and this could be my third point. So freehand also I can easily draw with the help of a 3 point arc. The second method is there. See here, for this case what I will do, I will draw a small line so that it will be easy to understand you people. So I will take 20 units over here, and one more I will take with respect to the center. Okay, 10 units. Right. So I have been taken 20 and 10 units. See, the first one is start. As you know, this is my start point and this is my end point. This could be your center point. This is your center point, but I have taken this is your center point. So start, center, end. So what I will do, I'll just select the second case, start, center, enter. Right. So what I will do, it is stating me that specify the start point of an arc. See, this is my start point. Now the second, it is asking me the center point of an arc. So I will give the center point of an arc. Now it is asking me third one, that is your end point of an arc. As you see in people in school days also, when you are holding a protector over here, if the pencil is rotating over here, then definitely you are considering this as your center point, then arc will be plotted over here. Because I was drawing an arc from left hand to right hand side. So when you are going with left hand to right hand side, you are going to get at the bottom, you are going to get this arc. The same way, if I was going to plot this arc from right to left, if I was drawing from right to left, you are going to see an arc in the upward direction. See, I will show the same way. This is my start point, this is my center point, and this is my end point. You can check out here, when I was moving with respect to anti-clockwise direction, it is plotting in the upward direction. When I was moving with respect to clockwise direction, when I was moving with respect to what I'll call from left to right, when I was moving from left to right, it is plotting in the downward. When I was moving from right to left, it is plotting in the upward curve. Right. So this is how we are going to draw an arc. Right. The second one is start, center, angle is there. Right. So I will choose that one. Start, center, angle. See here, start is there. I have been started. Again, I have been given the center point. So after giving the center point, it is asking me the angle. So what I will do, I will give of about 45 degree of an angle. So 45, and I will hit enter. See here, this you got the 45 degree curve. So how you are going to get 45 degree or not, you just hit on the dimension. Under this dimension you are going to get the angular. So when you select this point, you just drag towards your center point. See here, you are going to get the 45 degree angle. The same way, if you want to draw, see here, start is there, center is there, and length is asking. The same way, if I go with respect to start, center and length, see, this is my start point, this is my center point. Now it is asking how much length of curve you required. For example, if I was saying that 10 units, if I hit enter, see the 10 units length of this one I have been got it over here, 10 units length of chord. So if you want to check that length of the chord, so here you go in the dimension, so under this you got aligned, because some angle inclination is there, because of that reason I was taking aligned. You can check out here, see here how much I have been taken, 10. So it is giving me the 10 units length of chord. In the same way, for the what I'll call fifth one is there, start, end and angle, right? Sorry, start, this one is your start end angle. Now it is saying me that you start and you just go for the end and you go for the angle, start end angle. See, first what I will do, this is my start point and this is my end point. Now I need to give the angle. So how much angle I need to give? If I was giving 30 degree as an angle, you can check out, this is 30 degree angle of your curve I haven't got over here. If you want, again, if you want to check that one, you please come in the dimension, under the dimension angular is there, you just select this one, you are going to get the 30 degree of an angle. Right, so this is how we are going to draw an arc. Right, whenever they are saying you to draw an arc with an angle of 30 degree, then you go with respect to this method. So here one more is there, start, end and direction. So you are going to start and you are going to plot here. These 2 points are fixed, whether you want in upward direction or you want in the downward direction, that is left to you. If you are considering this is your start point and this is your end point, you can plot either right hand side or you can plot in the left hand side. The same way here I will show you start and direction. See, this is my start point and this is my end point. I can move in the upward direction, I can move in the downward direction, it's left to me. Wherever you want, you can just plot that one. Right, one more is there, start end radius. This is my start point and this is my end point. If I want how much radius of arc I required, you can draw that one. See here, start end radius. This is my start point, this is my end point. Now it is asking me the radius. Of radius how much I will give? I will give this time as 8 units and I will hit enter. Okay, see here what I will do, start end radius. This is my start point and this is my end point. What could be the radius of this curve? Right, so if I was plotting, what will call, if I was giving whatever the radius over here, you can plot over here. This is my maximum, so you can provide any radius value. See here, if I was providing this one, if you want to check what is the radius of this curve, right, so you can check out that one. So you just go into the what I'll call dimension, under the dimension you are going to find the radius, you just tap that one, you just hit here and place it somewhere else. It is 11.18. I have been taken as a freehand radius, so because of that reason I am getting this radius of this curve. Right, I have been taken somewhere else over here, because of that reason I was getting this much. One more is there, center, start, end. Right, so what I will do this time, center, start, end. First point I was giving center and this is my start and this is my end. You can check out the same way the first case we are getting, right, because I was moving in the left hand to right hand side, because of that reason I was getting the downward direction. One more is there, center, start and angle. Alright, so what I will do, I will go center, start, angle. This is my center and this is my start, so I will provide some angle now. Now it is asking me the angle, so I will give how much, around 30 degree and I will hit enter. You can check out this one whether you got the 30 degree or not. Again you go in the dimension, under this dimension angular is there, you just select and move your cursor towards your center point. You are going to find the 30 degree angle. Right, so why I have been taken these 3 points, it is very easy to understand you people how we are going to draw the arc. Right, to understand, to make you more easy, for that reason I have been taken center, start and length is there, last, sorry, one more is there, center, start, this is my center, this is my start. Again it is asking me how much length of chord of curve I required. See, for example, if I was giving 15 units, if I hit enter, you just check out this one with the help of aligned. See, whatever the how much 15 I have been taken, you can check out here. You are going to get the 15 units of arc length, right? This is your chord length. Right, the last one is there. For that last one you don't require this one. For last one you need to have already an arc, then only it is going to work. See here, I was drawing some freehand arc. If I want to continue this arc, what it is going to do, when I select that one continue, it will start at the end point of the previous arc. So now I can draw as many as arcs. So it is only work when the previous arc should be there, then only it is going to work. At this end point of the first arc, it is going to consider as the starting point of this second arc. So this is how we are going to draw an arc. So all the 11 methods I have been shown you people. If you got any doubts or anything not understood, please ask me, then definitely I will help you out. Thank you.